Hi everyone, this is Ant. In this video, I will show you a way to concatenate and append a bunch of animation strips into kind of like one track. And just to reiterate, I am appending, not merging. If you're looking to merge a bunch of tracks together, then there is a plugin that recently been created that allow you to merge a bunch of tracks and combine all the transforms of everything into one new strip, basically, and non-destructive too, which is really, really good. But again, I am not merging tracks. I just want to create a new track and append a bunch of existing strips to that, right? Again, if I'm using the wrong terminology, I apologize. But anyhow, the reason why I needed to figure out how to do this is because I have a Vertex Animation Textures plugin for Godot. And you need to basically, and this is the tool over here, and you export it, but all the animations that need to be pre-baked into the Vertex Animation Textures have to be on one track, right? So this is the reason why you need to concatenate. So let's get started. Again, this is the original imported GLB file from KKit of the skeleton, and here are the individual strips or animations, non-linear animations, right? And they're all here, and they have created over like I think it's over 100. Like there's quite a bit, but I'm just going to do 4 or 5 for you right now. So let's get started. So what do you need to do? So first of all, make sure your rigged is selected and unselect all of them so that you get something like this, where we need to first unlock the actual tracks or strips, right? And then once you do that, then you're ready to go to start duplicating them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right from the top and click duplicate, and something just happened, but it doesn't seem like anything happened, but it actually created another strip, basically all the way, another track all the way at the bottom, right? And then right click it, track ordering to top. This only happens on the first one. I don't know why, but anyways, if you can't find it, it's most likely at the bottom. So now that we have a new NLA track, we can rename this track to kind of all tracks, right? All tracks. So that's basically the output we want. We want all the strips added to this track. So we've done the first one. So we're going to go on to the second one. And after I'm going to show you this one more time, we just have to repeat it over and over and over again, and we're done, basically. So we right click, duplicate, and again, it tries to create a new track called NLA track. We don't care about this track. We're just going to want the strip, and we concatenate it. And now we go over here. Make sure only this one is selected in yellow, and right click and click delete tracks. And we've done the jump C, so we're at the melee attack now. We do the exact same thing. So again, I'm going to repeat the same thing over and over again. And if you got it, then you don't have to see the rest of the video. But basically, we'll do it one more time. We duplicate it, NLA track, okay? We move it over, and we can get rid of this one. Delete tracks. And side melee attack, and let's do one more just for good measure. Duplicate, and this one's a bigger one. We move it over, and we get rid of this, and we delete track. Okay, so you do that over and over again of all the tracks you want, and they're all going to be part of one track. One cleanup you should do is you should relock all the previous animations so that you don't do anything wrong, move them around and all that kind of stuff, and you still maintain the consistency of all the previous tracks. So now that we have them all, they all should play, right? There you go. So once this is done, and you know what, you're gonna have a really long strip, and that's basically it. And then you just use the tool and you export it. So that's basically it. That's one way to get K-Kit's and Kenny's models and just basically append all the strips into one track. I hope you found that useful. Take care and have a great day.